Assalamu alaikum, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm bringing you brand new episodes of Halal Chef. So first of all, we're gonna get started with chicken rice box that will have flavorful crispy chicken rice with a touch of cumin, salad which is optional, and a mouth-watering cayenne pepper sauce. Very easy to do, gonna take around 15 to 20 minutes. 2019, we're gonna get this year smashing. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Let's get started. For the chicken, eggs, open slightly, another egg. Going to add some corn flour, garlic and onion granules, paprika for some sweetness, black pepper, finally some salt. A really good mix to this, and this is what you're looking for. Now in this I'm just gonna add these chicken strips which were lightly coated in corn flour. Why did we coat it with some flour? Just so the mixture will stick to the chicken. There you go. Just gonna give it a nice mix. Not too much. Just soak them in. Just leave it aside for around 5 minutes. Now you can deep fry or light fry. It's up to you. Just gonna add a bit of oil in there. Now I'm gonna start adding the chicken. Make sure the heat is on medium low. Bismillah. Nice and easy. Gonna fry this for 4 to 5 minutes. A nice goldish color. Looks amazing. Alhamdulillah. Look at that. Medium heat. Add a touch of oil around that. Go ahead, these beautiful cumin seeds. I'm just gonna throw them in straight. There you go. Just gonna light fry it for around a few seconds, not too much. At this point of time, what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna add the rice inside. Now give the rice a little bit of mix. Now I'm just gonna add a bit of water. There you go. Bit of salt in there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna bring it to simmer. As you can see, the water starts to boil up, so at this point of time I'm gonna turn down the heat to low. Place a cloth on the top, just like so. Put the lid on. We're gonna let it steam for around 12 to 15 minutes. Alright, so let's check the rice now. There we go. Bismillah. Grab a fork, each grain of rice. I'm just gonna mix it just like that. The sauce, very simple. Add yogurt. In that I'm going to add mayonnaise, cayenne pepper extract, a hint of garlic. Grab your knife and just slice it through. Finally, a touch of salt. Give this a really good mix. Now let it taste, and it's all done. Yummy. Done. Alright, so we're gonna plate up our dish. Now you're more than happy to serve it, in a box, but this is the way I prefer. Amazing. So adding a bit of chicken here. So here you have my mouth-watering crispy chicken with rice, salad and cayenne pepper sauce. Hope you guys gonna enjoy this recipe. Please do share with your friends and your family. Thank you very much. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Alhamdulillah, looks delicious and smells amazing. Wow, so delicious. Oh. Chicken has an amazing flavor and the rice is perfectly cooked and the sauce makes everything look so perfect. There you go. So good. Look at that. Make it for your mom. Make it for your dad. Make it for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my video.